Hi, I want you to imagine you are a prospect and do a role play with me, and so that I can practice how to improve my sales, I'm going to be selling you Facebook marketing services.
All right, sounds good. I'll play the prospect. You can kick things off whenever you're ready. Just let me know how you want to start.
Okay,
Are
so
we on a Zoom call, phone call, or in person?
we are in a Zoom call. Okay, so hi, nice to meet you. What is the result that you want in terms of like getting more leads, getting more sales, or do you want to grow your business, or what's the result that you want?
Nice to meet you too. Yeah. So I'd say the main thing I'm looking for is more leads. I've been running my own thing for a bit now, and it's going all right, but I feel like I'm just not reaching enough people consistently. Sales are okay, but they could be way better if I had a more steady stream of leads.
And what is your current situation? Like, how many leads are you getting a month? How many appointments or sales, etc.?
Right now, I'd say I'm getting maybe 10 to 15 leads a month, but only about 3 to 5 of those actually turn into appointments. And out of that, I'm lucky if I close 1 or 2 sales. So it's not very predictable or scalable right now.
Okay. And what are your main obstacles preventing you from getting to your desired result?
Honestly, I think the biggest issue is that I'm not super confident with my marketing. I've tried running a few Facebook ads myself, but I'm never really sure if I'm doing it right. I also don't have the time to constantly tweak and manage campaigns, so I end up just letting them run and hoping for the best.
Okay. And in terms of where you are right now, like how would that be painful if you continue staying stuck at where you are?
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Like if you stayed stuck in your current situation, how would that be painful?
Yeah, that would definitely be frustrating. I'm putting in a lot of effort already, and if things don't pick up, I might have to scale back or even pause parts of the business. It's stressful not knowing where the next client is coming from, and I don't want to keep riding that roller coaster.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how willing are you to get more leads, get more appointments, and get more sales?
Oh, I'd say a solid 10. I'm definitely ready to take this to the next level.
Okay, great.
I just need the right help to get there.
Okay, great. So that's the 5-step consultation. Can you give me advice on how to improve that?
Yeah, you're off to a strong start. You followed the 5-step consult structure well and kept things clear. Here's a bit of feedback to fine-tune it. First, your tone was warm, but you could slow down slightly to make it feel more like a genuine conversation. Ask more follow-up questions to dig deeper into each answer. For example, when I said leads aren't consistent, you could have asked what I've tried already, or how that's affecting my day-to-day. When you asked about pain, instead of saying, how would that be painful, try something a little more empathetic, like, what impact does that have on you? Or how does that feel when the leads aren't coming in? And for the willingness question, you nailed the wording. It felt natural. You could even ask what makes them say that number, just to reinforce their motivation. Overall, I'd rate your 5-step consult a 7 out of 10. You've got the structure down. Just work on making it feel a bit more personal and curious. Want to try tweaking a few parts and rerunning it?
Sure. Thank you so much for your coaching. Thank you so much, Sales Mentor AI.